Today I wanna review or compare Adler portable typewriter J2, J5, and then J4. I have on a J3. So let's see first the case. So the case, this one is a 78 Adler J2. At that time they changed it outside the plastic, but this is good, better than this one. This one is a J4, 1968. This one is a J5, also 1968. This is case is good, but later around the 70, they changed this one like this one. Looks like this, but with the chrome key. So this J4 case is a little bit, I don't like this kind of case because when you put the typewriter into the case, the bottom side, it's a little bit tricky, it's hard, and then easily sometimes it's open. So yeah, that's the case. It's J2, J4, J5. This one is a 78, 1978. This two is a 1968. Okay. Couple days ago, Facebook, antique typewriter collectors group, someone asked about the J2 and then J4. It's good or any information, something like that. So at that time, I wrote, I have both, but it's not my style. But touch is good, okay. And then, yeah. So today I want to compare and review. First, they are very common thing. This typewriter, very common. Super smooth, the carriage release. Carriage release is super smooth. Okay, everything same. See? Okay. Yeah. Really smooth. That's the one common thing. And then the snappy, little bit good. The action is good. But it's very individual. This little bit cheaper version is better snappy. But this one little bit hard. The touchy little bit harder. This one is the same thing. I didn't hit the carriage. I mean the platen, just like this before hit. But anyway, I guess, yeah, it's snappy. But the feeling little bit different. This one manufactured 1968. J5, they have just one the shell design, exactly same. But the J4, I guess they have two different. Before 1968, the old style, like in the middle, their logo, and then Adler style. Also, J2 has that kind of style, and then around late 1960, they shell design like this one, exactly same, and then later they changed like this one. This one is in order to change the ribbon, we need to take off the whole this one from the here to the. Okay, so one hand, so like this. It's like this. It's not good, right? And then I don't know why This is originally like this or not. If I push the shift button, it looks good, but like this. Release the shift button for the lowercase like this, but this one is best touch feeling out of these three, but it's not good. Okay, so another good thing is Adler this style. It's very easy to remove this carriage. Okay, just unscrew this one and then unscrew this one, then we can remove this one, exactly like Reinhardt typewriter and then the standard typewriter. Also, this Adler brand has a very unique thing. They have a lot of typeface available at the time. I have two standard universal. One is for the cubic, one is for the OCR typeface. And then these three, all different typeface. J4, this one, it's like a cursive. 77, the roll number 77 script. J5, it's also the unique typeface. This typeface. They called it like a low 88 Esquire typeface. This one. See? It's good. It's very like Canterbury or Congress Pika. Yeah, very close to that kind of stuff. Esquire, right? And then this one is regular Pika. This is this one. So first, see, it does not align. So I fix this one and then this one, because both the align does not work. So it's very easy, because you can remove this one, so we can access this one very easy from the behind. Even though without removing this carriage, we can do that easily. See, because it's easy to access here. Let's see the what I did for the alignment to both typewriter. Okay. After adjust this one, after adjust this one, the before like this way, and then like this way, then right now like this. So almost align, right? This one is a J5. This one is the opposite case. Where is that? Yeah, see the capital. Let's try one more. H, right? And then capital H. See. See, the capital is too much going down, right? So in order to do that, this one is the opposite case. We need this one more going down, make down. So that means decrease the gap, this gap. So only block, then it will be okay. So it's a J5, it's a J2. Let's see. I already show you, right? And now it's okay. Brown fox jump. So This one also okay, right? Yeah. If you buy the Adler typewriter, you get a lot of chance to different typeface. I don't know why they very often for the a lot of different typeface. Yeah, that's the another good thing from this brand. But only not bad, but a lot of collectors don't like the plastic. That's the problem. That's the problem. It looks like a cheaper one. This design, it's very good after putting this one. Okay, let's see. Okay. This is very okay, very simple and then very good. But so they are made by plastic. So everybody, oh, typewriter is good, but it's plastic. Oh, it's plastic. J5 only one design. J4 there are two design. J2 there are three different design. Before change this one, they used exactly the same this one, and then early version of J2, J4 is the same shell design. So if they made this with the little bit fancy like metal, then maybe a lot of people like this series. J3 is a very like short term they manufactured, so it's not popular in this area. So I didn't get any chance to get the J3. This one you see, what is this, right? See, it's a red bottom. See, red bottom. That means three different choices, right? But this one is no red in the bottom. That means there are just two. Why? This is script, cursive typeface. That's why. Yeah, beautiful typeface. Anyway, the Adler J series mechanically it's okay for me, but outside body plastic I don't like this one. I don't know why this one I got free, because at that time something wrong, but I fixed. I cannot remember what did I do, and then this one still some problem. This easily take off like this, so we need super glue, something like that. Very cold outside, right? Winter season. Outside, if you find this kind of typewriter outside, don't try open the cover. It's very easily broken. I show you. This part, it's cold outside, right? Then it's very easily broken. So don't try open this one like a winter time. That's the not good thing. So that's why a lot of people like the mechanical touchy, but overall, yeah, something like that. All right, thank you for watching.